Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Just a little update. If you do follow my work, I'm a music video director, filmmaker, and I run a music video channel. And I was thinking to produce more content relating to that, how I did it.
Bit of tape around it.
I might even just, if you want to just, get the most out of it, right?
Yep, good.
Even more?
Cool.
The whole thing, just the pole?
That's right, just there is perfect.
Okay, yep.
The ups and downs of getting into the music video industry, specifically rap music, hip hop, working with a lot of artists. There's also things that you need to take into consideration before you jump in the field. Equipment, scheduling, patience, planning, or sometimes no planning, the ability to freestyle, the ability to just take shit, to move stuff when you have to, the ability to work in a environment that's completely out of your comfort zone. A lot of different attributes you need to actually make it successful. I just wanted to update you guys and check in with y'all. Hope you're doing well. Basically, lockdown's really, stuffing with everyone. So, on this YouTube thing and YouTube journeys. If you could just like this video and send me a little comment, like a message or something, I'd appreciate it. For anyone out there who's just rocking with me on the channel. I know you saw the MacBook video, got a couple of audio videos, and while I like that stuff, I think I'll just focus on the stuff I really enjoy, which is talking about the filmmaking side of things. I really still enjoy, the MacBook stuff. And honestly, this computer has been really, really amazing. I love it. It's only the base model, and who knows, when the M1X comes out, I might get it, I might not. If I do, I'm definitely going to do a mad benchmark review on it all. But for real, if you just need a good computer, going off tangent track here, get the M1 base model, you know what I'm saying, and check out my video. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. Take care. Update. This is like a little, little podcast thing. If you ain't clicked off the video now, I know you're rocking with me. Much love. I appreciate you guys. Stay safe. Peace.